TPR.
Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of the TPR pod. This is episode 122, a Chalant Crew episode, our 25th Chalant Crew episode. Just me and Rizwan this time around. Nadir wasn't available. Sarkhail's in the UK at his in-laws, so as good as not being available. Rizwan and I talk about a lot of things in this episode. We talk about food, we talk about KFC, Pizza Hut, our fast food interests, our diets. We've both been losing weight. We talk about crime stories. Hawksbay, famous Twitter guy, had a tweet about crime stories in Karachi. We talk about some of our favorite replies, our experiences in Karachi with crime. We also have a very interesting topic, which is funerals in Pakistan, and the weird and silly things that happen there somehow. There is also a big audience advice section. If you go down into the chapters as usual, you'll see a full breakdown of all the questions people sent us and all the other things we spoke about. We also talk about the New Zealand thing. That's a bit of a rant. So yeah, all in all, a huge mixed bag of an episode. Let's keep the intro short and jump right in. What did you have for dinner? It looked very nice.
Yeah, so my brother just flew in from Dubai.
This is great content for people watching. What did Rizwan have for dinner?
Yeah, what did I have for dinner? So I was about to have what we were just finishing cooking. हम mix सब्जी बना रहे थे for a change. But of course कि सब्जी खाली नहीं खाई जाती तो उसमें एक chicken cube डाल दिया था कि it should taste like chicken. And we were making like रोटियां वगैरह and then bell बजी और मैं पूछ रहा हूँ गेट के पास जाते हुए कौन
हेलीकॉप्टर की आवाज दूर से आ रही थी
और so I opened the gate and it's my brother, of course, and he was very happy to see me. Apparently, I was also happy to see him.
Nice.
Or so
is he running from the police? Not that we know.
Hopefully.
Unconfirmed as yet.
Unconfirmed. Yeah. So he got us food from Gate of Karama, which is our Dubai? Favorite. That's in Dubai, in Karama, of course.
अच्छा. आज ही रिजवान ने ग्रुप पे टेक्स्ट किया था कि I miss Dubai, it physically hurts. ये वो Dubai came. It's
came in real.
In your mouth, it came. as you might say.
So there was keema, of course, and paratha, and some idli, sambar, coconut chutney, and some vada vita. So yeah, I had a mix of everything. So it was like a mallu buffet. Yeah.
Nice. Sabzi क्या हुआ?
पलवशा खाएगी?
Good. Yeah. हमारा चल रहा है अभी तक keto.
That's good.
It is now, I don't know. It's very slow, but also we're used to it now. So it's not even as much a weight loss thing as much as but this is our life. हमने accept कर लिया है. आहिस्ता कम होता रहे weight. महीने के end पे we'll do like.
नहीं, let me add two Pakistani phrases यहाँ पे, like that a lot of people use. So number one, it's not rocket science. And number two, slow and steady wins the race. So
no Pakistani has ever actually believed in slow and steady. They will try every shortcut, every दो number चीज, लेकिन तुमसे कहेंगे so that you slow down and they can fuck you up.
Exactly. And they win the fucking race.
And they win.
So that's, yeah.
But yeah.
नहीं, that's good. अच्छा है, मतलब.
I was in like the early 90s in my life. And also kilo-wise, I was like 92-ish. And now I'm like 80.
Fuck, man. That's crazy.
Yeah, it took a few months. But like, it's not... हमने किया भी वो है ना. We didn't do the calculations or weight or grams कितने होने चाहिए.
It
We're
did
like,
like
अच्छा बस
easy
Yeah.
keto. Yeah.
carbs वगैरह तो हम खा ही नहीं सकते, तो वो हटा दिए. और
Yeah.
बाकी we're like बस ठीक है, थोड़ा थोड़ा कर लेंगे, तो it's fine. It's also it solves the problem के क्या पकाएं क्या मंगवाएं. That's also just
Yeah,
like a few options.
that's the biggest benefit, man. Because I started this thing with a nutritionist very recently.
Yeah.
और उसमें biggest यही है कि she sends me like a weekly meal plan. So that really helps because then I know अच्छा कल सुबह मैंने ये खाना होगा, दोपहर रात whatever. So I have the stuff ready. I do some meal prep पहले से. So क्योंकि ये सबसे बड़ा मसला है यार, रोज समझ ही नहीं आता खाएं क्या. Food Panda scroll हो रहा है.
Yeah.
And then I end up with KFC, and which I very
Which we can
recently you can eat, and
Huh.
I very recently like announced to my
that was a big
fans that
that was a big
I'm
move
not gonna
on your part.
I'm not gonna have well, I've decided I won't have it till December. Because December mein I'll fly to Dubai and I'll have original chicken.
Original
KFC.
chicken. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm not wasting my KFC life
Money or
anymore.
calories.
Yeah.
Is Pakistan, people in Pakistan really like KFC? Is it?
Yeah.
How does it compare to Dubai ka KFC?
Yeah, because so when I'm in Dubai, I only have the original recipe.
Right.
Whenever I can, not spicy. So I don't know. पिछले जितने भी trips पे I've not had spicy KFC Dubai में.
Right.
So I can't really compare.
In Pakistan mein it's only spicy?
Pakistan mein it's only spicy. So apparently when they started like 20 years ago, they did have original chicken, but लोगों ने यही कहा होगा कि फोका या मर्चा नहीं किया है. So I don't know. They discontinued it. Or so even like sandwiches वगैरह in the UAE, I'll have the original chicken wale, like the chicken fillet sandwich, not the zinger.
Not the zinger.
So
okay.
I can't compare.
Yeah.
And the original chicken is amazing. It's really good.
Idhar wale KFC when you only get original. They have the spicy thing, but only on wings. So they don't have normal. I don't know if they have normal wings. Maybe they do. But the spicy thing is only on wings. वैसे सब original है. But
apparently that's how it is in the US also. Like just the chicken, not the spicy crispy chicken.
Right.
Yeah.
जब मैं UAE में रहता था तो I'd like mix it up. When सरफराज एहसान वगैरह के साथ जब कभी buckets लेते थे हम, तो we tell him to like mix it up, like कुछ spicy.
Yeah, we used to mix it up, and
yeah,
and I mostly still had the original. Yeah.
Basma also prefers the original. There was also this discussion. Saad Ghori, I could have asked him, but khair, Saad Ghori had this thing about Pizza Hut where he's like, मेरे दोस्त ने pizza मंगवाया and उसपे mushrooms or olives थे ही नहीं, zero.
Yes.
And then he says his friend calls Pizza Hut and they tell him that they've discontinued mushrooms and olives, and they all thought.
Why though?
People thought and they thought, okay, this is a joke. मतलब वो कह दियो because like Pakistani customer service is like who gives a shit, कुछ भी कह दो.
Sir, अभी हम पिज्जा ही नहीं बनाते.
Yeah. But then the newly very active Pizza Hut Twitter account, they actually replied to Saad Ghori and they said कि जी हमने वाकई खत्म कर दिया है pizza पे से mushroom and olives. Wow.
Which is so weird.
Yeah. I don't know, man. But
I don't know, man. Like, what are they trying to do?
I think pizza has to be a cost-cutting thing because he was saying that वो KB's के पास he said KB's के area में गया था, that's probably Muhammad Ali Society in Karachi. There's a big Pizza Hut there.
Yeah.
And he's like 10:30 का time था. And they had already like सारी कुर्सियां उल्टी कर दी थी and they're like बस खाली बिल्कुल, and the staff was just chatting आपस में. So he's like fuck nobody's going. And they're expensive, and I guess they can't be even more expensive, so they're like अच्छा cost कटा दो पीछे से, तो मतलब पता नहीं.
Yeah, that's weird, huh?
But Pizza Hut, I had it when I was in Dubai and I was very happy, and it was great. And I must say, as I always have to mention, the Pizza Hut I had in China is the best Pizza Hut I've ever had.
Holy shit. Yeah.
In this millennium, like it's so good. It is so shockingly good. Like Yeah. The only weird thing is, and that's just a Chinese thing, you ask for water, the water is warm. Not even room temperature.
Oh,
Slightly garam. Like, क्यों?
oh wow.
But
They're just helping you with digestion.
yeah.
ये वो,
Because China में पीते हैं garam pani.
yeah.
They drink garam pani all the time. But
So they're exactly like South Indians. Yeah. Wow.
possibly.
Yeah, South Indian restaurants always have like a jug of garam pani on the
Garam
table.
pani. Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Chalo. Khair. So there were a few things that happened this week जो कि मैंने सोचा would be fun for us to talk about. One of them, which we will start with a rant, is के Hawksby, famous Twitter person. He has this very like finely crafted ability to say something that can offend the widest majority of people. Matlab,
Yeah.
you know, he's like a defense burger uncle, whatever, from Karachi.
Yeah.
But वो tweet elitist भी होगी, उसमें feminist का भी मजाक उड़ेगा, उसमें पंजाब का भी मजाक उड़ेगा, पाकिस्तान general army people का सबका मजाक एक साथ. Like he's hoping for maximum impact. So, and they're all jokes. Like he doesn't care what he says so long as लोग offend हो जाएं, कुछ लोग खुश हो जाएं. So he had this tweet very recently.
हम खुश होते हैं.
हम बहुत खुश होते हैं. His tweet, this one is another example where he says कि my favorite Karachi story is still that this guy who works for me had his motorbike stolen at gunpoint in Korangi. The guys who stole it gave him a ride back home on his motorbike before riding away with it. Brilliant. We're just good people in this city. 789 retweets, 498 quote tweets, and 3,300 likes. पढ़ गए ना? I'm not going to discuss all the replies that people had. But आप देखें, आपको समझ आ गया. He's making fun of Karachi, but you know, in like a weird way. The thing I was pissed about was some guy, Usman Samiuddin or some motherfucker, he is on Instagram. काफी सारे followers, food blogger है वो, as per his bio. He took this tweet, collected the best replies and posted them on his profile. A lot of people do this. They take memes, tweets, ये वो अपनी profile पे डाल देते हैं. The shit thing that he did was he cut out Hawksby की tweet के screenshot लेके Hawksby का नाम काट दिया.
Wow.
Specifically. Wow. And बाकी सबके, I don't know why he did this, because the other tweets he posted उनमें सबके handle थे, सब कुछ था. But no credit, nothing. And obviously there's no legal, but it's just a shit thing to do. And once again,
it's just that you're a shitty human being.
Yeah. And he did 2 further posts. This means he's like, let's take it a step further. The first post in each carousel was अपने उसके नाम से कोई tweet बना दी, Karachi crime stories, Karachi women crime stories, like a fake header, not even Hawksby की tweet this time, और बाकी सारे as if they're replies to his shit. So fuck you for that. And it really proves that food bloggers in Pakistan remain shit, because we've never had a good impression of any foodie or क्या होता है? Foodies are us और इस तरह के जो लोग होते हैं
ना. Fucking foodie.
Yeah.
What the fuck does that even mean? Like, if you're not 10 years old, like, why would you label yourself as I'm a foodie?
I'm a foodie. मैं खाना खाता हूँ cute. Great. But man, these stories were like, they're all from Karachi, obviously, as you can imagine, because street crime Pakistan में, like, अगर कहीं enthusiasm से होता है तो वो कराची में होता है. बाकी जगहों पे it's like a more of a occasional hobby. लाहौर में हो रहे हैं.
देखो बाकी जगहों पे you know actual like villain जैसा खतरनाक वाला होता है. कराची में तो it's like a pastime ना, like
economy है.
हाँ, it's part of the economy, like सुकून से हो रहा है. अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं?
And like the first tweet I had from the replies, I'm not gonna take the names of these people because like it's public, so I'll say Farheen Rizvi.
Fuck it, take the names.
Also verified profile. Her tweet is insane. She's like, in 2004 I was shot during
Fuck.
mobile snatching. हाँ. And the next day, my cousins randomly were getting calls from the snatchers. एक तो the turns, वो कैसी हैं अब
Snatchers.
हम गोली चलाना नहीं चाहते थे.
Oh my god. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
I mean, snatchers. आपको पता.
Snatchers.
I want her to like say it as snatchers.
Dacoits.
Dacoits. अमिताभ की एक फिल्म में मैंने सुना था. Fucking
Yes.
बादशाह शहनशाह. शहनशाह में when he's in court, he's like rapine, dacoits. What are these words?
रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप थे.
Yeah. I don't know. But khair, once this friend of mine, he was walking in Teradi, Gulshan. And he's like, this guy comes up to him. Ab Karachi mein bahut kam ho gaya, but you know, he comes up to him and he's like, phone pe baat kar raha tha, something. He's like, phone dikhao. Phone liya, and then that guy started to leave. This guy's an idiot. He's like, he didn't understand ki kya ho raha hai. And obviously, Karachi mein, we'll come to this as well. It's like, bhai, phone to वापस दे दो. And the guy's like, निकलता है में गोली तो नहीं. Like, oh, all right. Sorry, I didn't understand.
Okay,
What was happening.
समझ नहीं आया. Sorry.
But yeah, and so many incidents, like one that happened to a teacher of mine, a school teacher.
Okay.
A levels में हमारे एक थे sir Asif, I think maths पढ़ाते थे वो, maths whatever. And he's like, motorcycle पे जा रहे थे वो, और उस जमाने में ना Sony Ericsson had this like really पतला सा phone which slid down ऐसे करके, but it was slim, and or what people and the eventual snatcher would refer to as sleek. तो वो रोका उन्होंने मोटरसाइकिल पे. वो jeans में था, आपको पता है कराची में jeans have to be tight. हाँ, तो वो उसकी silhouette जो थी वो आ रही थी.
ओहो.
A mobile toe, if you will. तो वो कहता है, अच्छा एक बंदे से फोन लिया ना, एंड ये पीछे बैठे थे, उससे फोन लिया, एंड इज लाइक, अच्छा पता नहीं, लगा ये कौन सा फोन, ये दिखाओ, ये बड़ा स्लीक लग रहा है. वो निकाला, वो फोन था सस्ता. तो एंड सबको पता था, मोबाइल चोर्स न्यू के कौन सा फोन कितने का है, कितने का बेचेगा. Straight. ये क्या रखा?
Oh my god.
It was such a weird casual relationship that so many people have. Like this one from a friend of ours, abba iska naam nahi lenge, because she's our friend. Uncle went to a bakery to get cake for his daughter's birthday. She's not from Karachi. He entered while the store was being robbed. They took his wallet and everything. Then uncle requested that he was here for a cake for his daughter. Daku bhai said, "Jo lena hai utha lo." Uncle ne 5 cake le liya. I mean,
I'm only thinking like how that would have worked out. Uncle ने खुद पैक किए होंगे डब्बों में, या किसी को
like
बोला होगा.
He can't go to that bakery again, because bakers owners जो हैं bakery के, वो दिल भी लगा जो डाकू तो fucking डाकू थे. Dacoits, do they know? But you were that motherfucker who were not part of it and just took advantage. वो थैले में डाल रहे ना, आंखें just staring at him.
Yeah.
गालियां देते वो, you dumb motherfucker. तेरी बेटी को food poisoning हो जाएगी, लेकिन ले लो.
Oh man.
Don't know what to make of it, but once my brother was about to get mugged near FTC, a place in Karachi. They had taken the phone and wallet. My brother asked for his NIC back. ये भी बड़ी एक थी, हाँ. You know, where they needed the phone, that's what they would sell, but you could ask for your SIM back, you could ask for your ID back, because उनको तो बस बेचने दी चीजें. Identity theft नहीं होती पाकिस्तान में.
Of course.
That's when one of them took out an NSC and just returned everything, because आप तो सैयद है. Dear. My cousins were getting mugged, and one of them asked for his SIM card and then memory card. Unexpectedly, he got both things. The second cousin saw this and asked second robber, "Bhai, mujhe bhi kuch de de." But the second robber was a professional and he slapped him twice.
Oh man.
Okay,
you know, like technically these are all sad stories.
These
but
are all
they're
very
funny.
sad stories. Yeah.
I feel bad laughing, but
I mean,
you know, यही तो हमारा resilience है कराची
hashtag
वालों का.
resilience. Yeah,
Yes.
dumb shit.
Yeah.
Martyrs जो हम होते हैं ना, everyone, nobody is just murdered. They're all.
Yeah.
I remember getting mugged. Faisal Rafi, and the muggers gave my BlackBerry back to me, saying, "ये बेकार है, आप घड़ी दे दे." So I gave them my Swatch, and one of them actually shook my hands and thanked me before giving me my wallet back after taking money from it. Thank you.
Oh my God.
Can you fucking imagine?
Wow. You know, I've never been mugged.
Well, you live in Lahore.
Yeah, but see, I was responsible for like 4 of my friends getting mugged in Lahore.
How?
Yeah, this is way back. Like we were in A levels, or मेरे 4 दोस्त मुझे मेरे घर छोड़ने आ रहे थे रात को.
Are they still around? Did they die?
हाँ, they're alive. Like they're just mugged. तो they dropped me मेरे गेट पे. और अभी वो this is like many years ago जब जौहर टाउन काफी सुनसान था, like अंधेरे रोड्स खाली. So they dropped me at my gate और मैं अंदर जाने ही लगा घर के, तो एक बाइक पे 2 लड़के आए मेरे पास, रुके और कहते हैं कि भाईजान ये ब्लॉक से रास्ता बाहर कहाँ जाता है. मैंने कहा यार ये गाड़ी जा रही है, इनके पीछे निकल लो. एंड वो गाड़ी ब्लॉक के एग्जिट पे जब स्पीड ब्रेकर पे स्लो हुई, बाइक वालों ने रोका उन्हें और सब कुछ लूट के वहीं से एग्जिट कर लिए. तो
how did you find out?
Yeah, I found out. Like I tried calling one of my friends next morning. उसका phone off जा रहा था. So I called his landline. And his mom answers and she's like, हाँ बेटा तो तुम कैसे हो, कल रात को कोई मसला है. मैंने कहा मैं तो सही हूँ, क्या हुआ. She's like, तुम्हें नहीं पता, तुम नहीं थे. क्या, कहाँ नहीं था. अब मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा है पता नहीं इसने कोई मेरे बारे में झूठ बोला होगा कि पूरी रात मेरे साथ था और लाइक हाँ मैं था नहीं, लेकिन क्या हुआ क्या है.
Immediate trying to cover.
Yeah. And she's like, हाँ बस बगैरतों ने सब लूट लिया, नया फोन भी ले गए उसका. Oh shit. So then when I finally got in touch with them, they're like, हाँ यार बाइक पे 2 लड़के थे, एक ने शॉर्ट्स पहनी हुई थी, एक जीन्स में था, यंग 18-19 साल के थे. मैं हाँ पता नहीं कहाँ से आए होंगे.
Did they ever find out?
I told them बाद में, of course, a few days later when the trauma had subsided a bit. It's like, bro, मेरी गैंग के लोग थे. Yeah.
Amazing.
Like my dad was mugged in Lahore like many years ago, 10-12 साल पहले. He for some reason he decided he wants to walk to some place that he was going. Or this is again when Jawtown was not very crowded, और एक बाइक पे 2 लड़के पहले गुजरे हैं और फिर वो आगे से घूम के वापस आए हैं. अस्सलाम वालेकुम अंकल जी दे दें. And my dad is like, okay, like phone, wallet सब ले गए. And Dad was pretty shaken, but he was like, "Kya kar sakte hain, you know?" And
yeah,
I remember Palvasha almost got mugged many years ago, and I was trying to get in touch with her. She called me on the phone and said, "Rickshaw mein." She was in a rickshaw in Karachi, and I called her, and she's like, "Yeah, मेरे पीछे bike पे 2 बंदे लग गए हैं," and she like hung up. And then I called Ali. You were also in Karachi at that time, and I'm like, "यार क्या करना चाहिए? Can you call Palvasha या क्या scene है?" And she like,
I killed them. I went and I just
because
like it was them or us. So you know. And then I took Palvasha stuff.
I remember she told me कि उसने रिक्शे वाले को बोला कि कहीं जल्दी से रोको, and she jumped out of the rickshaw and ran into a Dunkin' Donuts, and they couldn't follow her there because they couldn't afford donuts apparently.
वो this is the thing. People are like ये families वगैरह का rule क्यों होता है Centurious पे हमें Pindy Boys को अंदर नहीं आए. आप देखें, it's working in front of you. It's working. Yeah. Now Palvasha owns that Dunkin' Donuts. You don't know where things will take you. But yeah, that was a weird thing because you're like, what do I do? I'm
Yeah.
like, do I go there? And then Patricia was fine. Being
Yeah,
the
yeah,
person
yeah.
she is, she replied to me after like days. I was like, yeah, I guess अब जनाजे वनाजे का पता चलने वाला होगा थोड़ी देर में. She's like, yeah, I got home, it was fine. I was like, all right. Hey,
But yeah, man. Fuck these dacoits. Fuck them,
dacoits.
bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's horrible.
So again, Shahenshah mein, he had a chain wrapped around his arm.
Yeah, why?
And he was blocking bullets with it.
Yeah, bro. It was.
That's not
it
gonna
was
work.
wo vibranium.
Just aim at his legs.
They kept fucking aiming at his chest,
Yeah.
and he just kept blocking all the bullets throughout the movie. Yeah. गफूर बस्ती के रहने वालों. He's like, yeah,
And fucking Amitabh की है भी कोई 8 फुट की तो उसकी टांगे हैं. The rest of his body is like just 2 feet or something. Just aim at his legs, bro. Advice for aspiring muggers.
Yeah, aim at the legs.
Aim at the legs, bro. मतलब कोई मसला थोड़ी.
Achilles heel, bro. Achilles.
Achilles.
Fuck Amitabh Bachchan also.
Achilles would answer an interview and someone was like, what's your biggest weakness? He's like, मैं नहीं बता रहा.
Horrible. Bakwas.
So Khair Rizwan, what do you think about New Zealand leaving Pakistan? Biggest story this week.
Oh
and
God.
So many opinions. I am surprised Sir Khail did not have more opinions. But Sir Khail's in England.
मेरा इस पे मसला ये है जो आई गेस बहुत से आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि मेजॉरिटी लोगों का भी इस पे होगा कहीं ना कहीं दिमाग में कि व्हाट आई फील इज अगर इसमें क्रिकेट शामिल ना होती ना तो शायद हम इसको अलग तरीके से देख रहे होते.
Yeah.
But because it was about cricket and everyone is so emotional about it.
Yeah.
And we were all waiting, toss hone wala and all of that. Everyone's waiting for the match to start. And then they back out. Whatever the reasons, wo to unko valid lage, nahi lage. Wo Pappu ने भेजा, thread किसने, like that's.
I'm gonna hopefully find the picture and put it up here.
Yeah, that's
a list
besides
of
the point.
email addresses that are assumed to be part of it. And आप आराम से खुद ही pause करके आप पढ़ लीजिएगा.
Exactly. Or like देखो, I don't know, I'm trying to think of an example which is non-cricket. For example,
if they were here for like a tour, like a travel trip.
Like in Islamabad recently there was Onza Fest, oh God. There were these two foreigner women who were kidnapped or they were visiting Pakistan. This was this year.
Oh, okay.
Or was it Islamabad? Was it somewhere in the north? It was
okay.
Or वो भी issue बना था थोड़ा बहुत, and then most people were like, it's not as safe for women as your gore vloggers might be
stating,
painting the picture.
Like our friend Alex said.
Like Alex said, very rightly, कि ठीक है वो सब सही है कि आओ यहाँ पे visit करो वगैरह, but it is not
America
really
नहीं, not even America, like it's not like Norway or Thailand,
or like an Arab country. Like Arab countries are
super safe,
pretty safe, and चलो वहाँ tourism के अलग लोगों के requirements होते हैं, like shopping and shit, but beaches. But खैर, so अगर ये क्रिकेट वाली बात ना होती तो शायद हम बोल सकते थे कि maybe it's okay, उनको थ्रेट मिला, उनको लगा सही है और वो निकल गए. मतलब यहाँ पे होता तो है ना सब कुछ, हमेशा होता तो है
सब कुछ. Yes,
होता तो है.
But the thing is, what I think many people were surprised about, which again, my issue is always the surprise. Okay, I don't understand the surprise. You can say that, it was shit of them to not share information. It was
that was
ठीक है आप कह सकते हैं, but if you're surprised, कैसे हमने इतनी सारी score की हुई थी, how they're scared. people don't trust Pakistan, bro. Like they still do.
हाँ, मतलब how is this a surprise?
Yeah.
और अगेन वही बात पहले भी लाइक कुछ और लोगों ने भी की है, तस्वीर में पोस्ट कर करके कि when you have like a convoy of 20 cars around you, that doesn't necessarily mean that the place is safe. It means that they are protecting you, which is different, you know.
Yeah.
So,
like when you see footballers get off buses before a match, they're not surrounded by an army. So, you know, and Pakistan में एक incident हो चुका है. And
हो चुका है.
Everybody thinks कि Pakistani are like मिले हुए, which is also what I thought was the reason कि उन्होंने security threat share क्यों नहीं की initially. Because if I was in their position, and I was like, bro, कुछ पता नहीं कौन मिला हुआ, and depends on what the nature of the threat was, which it turns out कि a very famous person took responsibility. But चलें. But you know, it depends on how it was worded. You're like, अच्छा चलो, fuck it, we're getting out. It was not great.
मतलब it 100% probably like was a weird exit where.
But the surprise, like लोगों को लग रहा था कि बस अब सब set है forever, कुछ भी कभी होगा ही नहीं.
Yeah, क्योंकि जब previous attack हुआ था 2009 में, वो इसलिए नहीं था कि उनके आसपास सिक्योरिटी व्हीकल्स नहीं थी, जो कि चलो तब कम होती थी. वो इसलिए था बिकॉज ये करना पॉसिबल है पाकिस्तान में, एंड यू कैन गेट अवे विद इट, और आपने जो करना है कर लो.
चलो आर्मी वाले नहीं थे, चलो पूरा शहर बंद नहीं था, फाइन. बट यू नो देयर इज लाइक ये छोटे कंट्रीज आ जाएंगी, बट द व्हाइट्स there it's going to be harder. England ने भी मना कर दिया.
It is यार, मतलब you get death threats for Aurat March for fuck's sake.
Yeah,
which is mostly local people.
इरफान जुनेजो ने कश्मीर पे वीडियो क्यों नहीं बनाई? Death threats. I mean,
yeah, and these are real threats. मतलब आप इनको real लोगे ना, क्योंकि if you live here, it's not a surprise अगर आपको ये मतलब पता तो होगा कि कुछ भी हो सकता है. और किसी ने अच्छा आपको आप बच गए तो बड़ी बात है, बट अगर आपको कुछ हो गया तो आगे कोई किसी का कुछ बिगड़ना भी नहीं है ना.
and ये है कि this is true कि all हमारी है ना, we're all very desensitized to security and guns and ये वो being present everywhere. Western people, they always notice it and it makes them more nervous. हमेशा कि इतनी guns, because you don't see guns here in Europe, in Australia वगैरह. अमेरिका में फिर भी शायद दिख जाती हूँ, but also not like बहुत सी security खड़ी है just randomly, you know, like have army वाले heavily armed type.
This has been the case for many years in Pakistan. मतलब मेरे भी अगर कभी किसी दूसरे मुल्क के दोस्तों ने विजिट किया है और हम किसी मॉल एंटर हो रहे हैं और हमें स्कैन कर रहे हैं, they're like patting us down. आप किसी मस्जिद जा रहे हो, अभी भी स्कैनर्स होते हैं, you're patted down. तो we know what the state of affairs is. मतलब कुछ people were getting very angry and offended even at hints where you would say this is on Pakistan. अब वही बात है ना कि आप इसको black and white paint करके sides तो चुन सकते हो.
The internet is only black and white. There's no room
कि आपने अपनी साइड चुन ली कि यार देखो पाकिस्तान ने सब कुछ किया, इतने और मुल्क भी विजिट कर चुके हैं, सिक्योरिटी भी हमने पूरी दी, तो अब क्या चाहिए था भाई? मतलब don't you fucking live here? Don't you know what's going on?
Like, I mean, what's the alternative? Why did they do this?
Exactly. मतलब अब
people are saying IPL वगैरह का कुछ चक्कर था. I don't know.
यार देखो, इसका दूसरा पहलू यही है ना कि जो कुछ लोग उस न्यूजीलैंड वाले स्पेस में ट्विटर पे बात कर रहे थे कि पाकिस्तान के पास in so many years कोई leverage है भी नहीं ना to even convince somebody to stay. आप उनको क्या बोलोगे कि आप PSL नहीं खेलोगे? मतलब तो PSL, which is ठीक है, it's been there for a few years, but it doesn't compare. They are doing well in Pakistani terms. They don't compare financially with the other leagues like IPL वगैरह. और उसमें भी एक टाइम पे काफी players थे, they didn't want to come to Pakistan. They were like नहीं, हमने नहीं आना.
Remember when it was आधा दुबई में, आधा पाकिस्तान में.
और they didn't care. हाँ बस नहीं आना, कुछ और खेल लेंगे यार, उसमें क्या है. So लेवरेज आपका कहीं भी नहीं है, किसी भी नेशनल एस्पेक्ट में नहीं है ऑन द वर्ल्ड स्टेज. कुछ भी अभी यार मतलब हर चीज में हमें कंपैरिजन करने की जरूरत नहीं है ना, कि इंडिया में होता है उधर होता है, तो यहाँ हो रहा है हम तो यहाँ मरेंगे ना। यहाँ कुछ हो रहा है, मैं इंडिया में तो नहीं मेरी लाश पाई जाएगी,
ब्रो
इधर ही
अगर
होगा।
पाकिस्तान में एक और इंसिडेंट हो गया ना तो इट्स डन।
या
फिर स्टेडियम बेच दो
या
और रिफर्बिश देम फॉर समथिंग, बट नो वंस कमिंग एवर अगेन।
व्हाट लेवरेज डू वी हैव एनीवेयर यार, कहीं भी। अभी मई से लेके कब कितने महीने फ्लाइट्स बंद रही हैं पाकिस्तान से यूएई जाने वाली। Thousands of people were stranded here.
People
हमारी
working there,
गवर्नमेंट
people with jobs
हमारी
there.
गवर्नमेंट आके अभी हमारे गवर्नमेंट के लोग स्टेटमेंट दे रहे थे, वी रिक्वेस्ट द यूएई गवर्नमेंट टू ओपन द फ्लाइट्स प्लीज। मतलब हाथ ही जोड़ लो और इस तरह मांग लो। ठीक है, इंडिया भी बैंड था, बीच में खोला भी, बंद हुआ, खोला, बट वहां केसेस भी बहुत ज्यादा थे, उधर वेरिएंट्स भी उनके अपने बन गए थे, तो समझ भी आ रहा था। पाकिस्तान में एटलीस्ट ऑन पेपर तो कंट्रोल्ड ही है कोविड। वैक्सीनेशन ड्राइव भी सही चल रही है, सब हो रहा है। इतने महीने उन्होंने बंद रखा, वी कुडंट डू शिट।
यूके रेड लिस्ट, यूके रेड लिस्ट पे थे हम।
यूके रेड लिस्ट अभी हटे, 3 दिन पहले हम रेड लिस्ट से हटे हैं यूके के। नोबडी कैन डू शिट। और a country like Kenya had problems with the UAE like 10 years ago, where UAE का कोई रॉयल फैमिली का बंदा केन्या में लैंड हुआ एंड उन्होंने उसको इंटेरोगेशन के लिए बिठा लिया 2-3 घंटों के लिए। दिस इज लाइक 2008-9 की बात है और समथिंग। अच्छा, अब यूएई की सड़ गई कि यार इसको क्यों 4 घंटे बिठा लिया। फकिंग एमिरेट्स पुल्ड आउट ऑफ केन्या। वो भी एक सेकंड स्टेप था। पहले यूएई ने क्या पॉलिसी निकाली ऑन अ नेशनल लेवल, बिकॉज दे हैव सो मच लेवरेज। दे अनाउंस्ड एनी केनियन flying on an employment visa or a visit visa to the UAE should have a bachelor's degree.
Wow.
Doesn't make any sense, but you're like, हाँ बस सही है। So Kenyans who already even had an employment visa, जो कोई small jobs के लिए आ रहे होंगे that don't require a bachelor's degree, all stranded.
Yeah.
And like Kenyans had to sit down and like meet up and apologize. यार खुदा के लिए हमें आने दो, ये नहीं करो। And all of that happened. 10 years down the road, where things have been okay between the two countries, aviation related at least, इस साल Emirates operates a lot of flights to Nairobi every day and multiple flights a week, of course. तो इन्होंने नया छेड़ दिया पुरानी दुश्मनी निकालने के लिए कि एमिरेट्स की फ्लाइट्स पे समझो 300 पैसेंजर्स अलाउड है, एंड केनियन एयरवेज फ्लाइंग इनटू द यूएई कैन ओनली फ्लाई 100 पैसेंजर्स। अच्छा, अब केनियन एयरवेज का वैसे ही बिजनेस शेट, एंड दे कांट compete with Emirates and number of flight slots and number of departures every day. like क्या करें? There's just no leverage ना।
This is not an example of like great things the UAE did.
This is horrible. This is where
it's an example of आपकी leverage कितनी है to make people do things your way.
Exactly.
And the surprise when Pakistan can do nothing. We can't do any. We
can't do anything. अभी flights खुली हुई हैं. I am booked to fly in December to the UAE. मेरी फ्लाइट से एक दिन पहले सब रोक देते हैं, किसी ने क्या कर लेना, या मेरी क्या, मैं तो चलो एक बंदा हूं जो जा रहा है। अभी जो यहाँ पे हजारों लोग 3 महीने फंसे रहे हैं वहां विदाउट पे, उनकी पेज कट रही हैं, वो वापस नहीं जा सक रहे, वो कॉन्सुलेट्स में जा जाके भीखे मांग रहे हैं। भाई क्या किसी ने क्या कर लिया? जब उनका मूड हुआ उन्होंने आराम से खोल दिया, और इसके बदले में हमारे पाकिस्तानी आवाम ट्विटर पे आके वो हाँ और काम करो ऐसे मुल्कों में, नहीं तो और कहाँ जाएं? पाकिस्तान में रह के 18,000 20,000 की सैलरी पे काम करें, और फिर यहाँ पे जान भी दें, मरे भी। हाँ मतलब मगिंग्स का भी हिस्सा बने
ना। पीपल ऑन द इंटरनेट आर रेयरली any use.
I don't know what exactly I'm talking about. I'm just pissed off at how the things have been forever, and people want to pretend. I don't even think they're surprised. It's just this. They want to pretend.
Performance.
It's a performance. It's a performance.
How dare you?
Shanira Akram says that Pakistan is the safest place.
That Fuck that.
Yeah, what the fuck are you talking about?
Has it been 2 months? Has it been 2 months since Noor Muqaddam got beheaded?
Exactly.
I think शायद.
Exactly. तो
Fucking
अभी
hell.
उसके argument में सब बोल रहे हैं यार don't take her tweet out of context. She was talking specifically about cricket security. वो cricket खेलती है क्या? What the fuck does that mean? Asha, and somebody pointed out, Asha, oh yeah, it must be safe for you because you जब आप जॉग करने जाते हो आपके साथ 2 गार्ड्स होते हैं, एक आपका कुत्ता संभाल रहा होता है, उसकी पॉटी उठा रहा होता है. You must feel pretty safe in Pakistan. मतलब she's not a normal person ना यहाँ पे roaming around. मुझे अभी रात को 12 बजे यहाँ निकल के कोई चलने को बोले, I cannot, I'm fucking scared. जबकि I live in a crowded place in Lahore. या क्या कराची में तुम ऐसे निकल के अपना फोन और कैमरा लेके सड़कों पर रात को फिरोगे? You won't do that.
Yeah.
So
I mean, if you do it, you're like, हाँ यार छिन गया. But you won't be like.
मतलब सेफ्टी और सिक्योरिटी की बात आपको ब्रॉडर कॉन्टेक्स्ट में लेनी पड़ेगी यार. मतलब ये क्या कि हम सिर्फ कॉन्टेक्चुअली बात कर रहे हैं, यहाँ सिर्फ क्रिकेट की बात हो रही है. और क्यों सिर्फ what are you talking about यार? मतलब क्रिकेट टेररिज्म कोई दुनिया में इतनी बड़ी चीज नहीं है, यहीं पे हुआ है 1-2 दफा. और हाँ, इंडिया में आईपीएल के दौरान एक ब्लास्ट हुआ था कुछ सालों पहले.
But India का image is like on a complete, bro, like I was talking about this to somebody. किससे बात कर रहा हूँ, पता नहीं किससे बात हो रही थी. Have you ever met an Indian, मुसलमान बेशक, बीजेपी के खिलाफ ये वो वगैरह वगैरह, who will say कि I'm not proud to be an Indian? Nobody.
Oh bro, that is such a real thing that
they all love being Indian. And they're like, हाँ, we're fucking, bro, I'm Indian hai. Like, respect karo hamari.
Yeah,
and
but I remember this.
Who does this is delusional.
They are, और पता नहीं, I don't know. मतलब हमें वही लेबल्स आ जाएंगे उड़ते हुए, सेल्फ
लव पाकिस्तान और लीव पाकिस्तान.
मैं कहाँ जाएं? यूएई तक तो जा नहीं सकते, किधर जाएं? अच्छा, यहाँ कोई क्रिकेट खेलने आ रहा है, वो स्टेडियम में जाते हुए हमें डर लगता है.
या
अच्छा, स्टेडियम से 6 किलोमीटर दूर आपको पार्किंग लॉट देते हैं और वहां से कहते हैं अच्छा शटल्स में लाइनों में बैठ बैठ के स्टेडियम जाओ. जब अलाउड हो, जब अभी तो कोविड में फैंस नहीं अलाउड, जब खुला होता था आपको भी कोई इजी एक्सेस नहीं मिल रहा है स्टेडियम का, जो आप ढिंडोरा पीटे सेफ्टी और सिक्योरिटी का.
किलोमीटर्स दूर कि what happened was good or should have happened or Pakistan deserves it. The idea is कि your surprise and outrage is misplaced. मतलब it seems like you have, अहमद ने कहा था ना कि वो 150 बच्चों के कातिलों को अभी तक सजा मिली नहीं. न्यूजीलैंड चला गया, like, oh, why are they scared? I mean, yeah, मतलब let's keep things in context.
हाँ, और I don't know, Pakistan is a place that has many facets for discussion, or like there are good things, there are things that are running this country, there are people like who are actually doing a lot of work. They live here. There are people in the government who work a lot, who are doing a lot for the community. ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं. And like आपकी majority शायद peacefully चुप करके काम करना चाह रही है, और इसीलिए एक हद तक हम survive भी कर रहे हैं कि चलो pandemic में our economy has been hit even worse than before. तो we're still working as a country, सब चल रहा है. बट जो बुरी चीजें हैं यार, उनके बारे में किसी ने कुछ किया ही नहीं है, तो इग्नोर करके आप बस बोलते जाओगे नहीं 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 ये तो सब जगह होता है. यूएस में 1 मिनट में इतने रेप होते हैं. आई डोंट लिव देयर, आई लिव हियर.
आई एम नॉट अमेरिकन.
आई लिव हियर. मुझे तो यहाँ का डर है ना, और मुझे डर लगता है कि अगर मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ, जो कि हुआ है आए दिन होता है यार, लोग वीडियोस बना रहे होते हैं मेरे घर के लोगों की यार.
Recently nearly with that guy Mohammed Moiz, he was posting आजकल on Instagram, काफी चल रहा था. You know,
आप क्या कर लोगे? लोग आवाजें कस रहे होते हैं लोग आपको. यार ये 14 अगस्त की वीडियोस देख लो यार, लोग चिंचियों पे चढ़ चढ़ के औरतों को किस कर रहे हैं लोग. that fucking यादगार पाकिस्तान, वो मीनारे पाकिस्तान इंसिडेंट, like आपकी जनरल पब्लिक में ये सब
And these
हो रहा
aren't
है.
these aren't the terrorists who are
Yeah,
separate. वो एक
exactly.
अलग फिरका है.
तो अच्छे
Yeah.
लोग हैं, हमें हमें पता है यार, मतलब अच्छे लोग हैं, हम काम करते हैं रोज, हम बाहर जाते हैं, हम ऑफिस जाते हैं, हम बैंक्स जाते हैं, हम पैसे कमाते हैं, हम टैक्सेस देते हैं, हम भाई हैं, वो अच्छे लोग हैं भाई, हर जगह है. जो छापा हो रहा है उसके बारे में तो बोल लो ना. नहीं नहीं, ये तो इंडिया में भी हो, तो क्या
The comparisons never make any sense.
Yeah.
And they're all, I don't know, man. सब में वो बहुत वो लोग क्या कहेंगे एनर्जी है कि
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
you know, positive image.
पाकिस्तान का सॉफ्ट इमेज खराब हो गया. What fucking
What
soft
soft
image, यार?
image?
Nobody wants to give us travel
Imran-
rights to their country.
Imran Khan went around the whole world for like 2 years talking about
Yeah.
India in Kashmir and the shit they're doing, and
Nobody cared.
nobody gave a shit. Nobody gave a shit. And
Exactly.
वो चुप हो गया थोड़ी देर से बाद. He's like, अच्छा चलो, I guess.
यार,
I mean,
अभी भी मतलब हमारा passport ranks like third, fourth at the bottom
yeah,
in the
yeah.
world. No, nobody wants us in their countries.
Why did
Nobody.
they not respect us enough? I mean, bro, nobody respects
मतलब
us.
nobody respects us.
And nothing is
हमेशा
being done to fix this. Not really.
nothing.
Not
और
really.
अगर आप लोग जो पढ़े लिखे, जिनको अंग्रेजी भी आती है, जिनको स्मार्टफोन यूज करना आता है, तुम लोग भी ये वाली बातें आके पूरा दिन करोगे तो क्या फायदा, क्या होना है?
Yeah.
करो यार. मतलब औरतें सही है यार, हमारे हमारे सर्कल की सड़कों पे आती हैं, प्रोटेस्ट करती हैं, कोई चीज उनको बुरी लग रही है, उनके हक में कोई वैसी कौन सी चीज है, चलो
Yeah.
जिनके बारे में वो डायरेक्टली बोल सकते हैं वो बोल रही हैं, प्रोटेस्ट में आ रहे हैं.
Yeah.
औरत मार्च है, बाकी प्रोटेस्ट होते हैं, लॉयर्स, औरतें लॉयर्स इकट्ठी होती हैं. कितने इस साल 1-2 लीगल चेंजेस women lawyers की bodies लाई हैं.
Yeah.
For people with special needs और पता नहीं क्या. हम बैठे हुए हैं हाथ में पकड़ के, और कि यार इंडिया में भी रैंप नहीं होता होगा बैंक के बाहर, तो हम यहाँ क्यों खोलें? मतलब यार अभी
पाकिस्तान में जिस तरह के रैंप्स होते हैं ना,
जो वो टोनी हॉक ही जा सकता है उससे.
now they're like
yeah fuck. So I'm suddenly very pissed off. I'm sorry, man, but yeah,
that's all right. We'll have a extreme mahal change. So that's how we feel about the New Zealand thing. Yeah. Khair, so
टेंशन हो गया, तलब हो गई, तलब सिगरेट
slabs. It's unfortunate it happened, and you know things could certainly have been done better. But if there's one thing that I can't stand about reactions to any news in Pakistan, that is bad.
Yeah.
Not good news pe aap ho sakte hain surprise, but bad news pe the sir, how could this happen? I mean, theek hai chalo. Khair.
Yeah.
One very funny thing I wanted to talk about was your mom at a taziyat recently.
Oh my god.
Because
funeral stories
reminded me of a few things, and I thought I put out a thing on Twitter and Instagram.
Yeah. Like, did you get stories?
Very few, because I'm sure people are like, because this is also like a thing in Pakistan, na.
पाकिस्तान में लोग मरते ही नहीं है क्या?
पाकिस्तान में लोग मरते नहीं, और अगर मरते
इंडिया में मरते हैं.
It can only be a sad thing. Like इतना sad कि मतलब how dare you बाद में even think about this as happiness. But khair, so our friend Hira sent a story, and then somebody else also sent a story.
Yeah.
But nahi, uske alawa I have something and some commentary, but your situation इतनी मुझे पसंद है. So the thing was, हम बैठे थे अपने अपनी मुमालिक में और अपने अपने जिंदगियों में, and Rizwan message करता है कि his mom is at the taziyat or chalisma or something, he'll tell us, of somebody, and she is saying things fully sincerely which seem extremely inappropriate for the mahal, and yet they're being taken at face value. So आप बताएं मंजर क्या था?
Yeah, so this rishtadar of mine passed away, and he was apparently in the hospital for like a couple of days, or उसकी फैमिली वहाँ मुझे हंसी क्यों आ रही है? So उसकी फैमिली बेचारे, they were spending time with him there, और फिर so my mom was meeting उसकी mom ना, and एंड आंटी सेज के मतलब उसके पासिंग ऑन से पिछली रात एक दिन पहले डॉक्टर्स ने बोला कि आज बस इसको छुट्टी मिल जाएगी, मतलब ये सही हो रहा है, आज छुट्टी मिल जाएगी। एंड माय मॉम सेज बस फिर हमेशा के लिए ही छुट्टी मिल गई। And like, I'm just looking at them कि यार,
and you're the only one who noticed okay, this is weird.
Everybody else is like nodding. Like क्या लाइन मारी है बॉस, सब एक
so true. वाह वाह,
so true. वाह। तो मैं बार बार उनको बोल रहा हूँ अच्छा चलें, आपकी गर्मी बहुत है, तबीयत खराब है।
Rizwan is texting us all this while like live.
Yeah.
हमें transcribe हो रहा है।
Oh my god.
She said something else also.
She did say something else.
I don't remember what it was. Let's look it up.
There were many things, like she said कि so आंटी रो रही थी ना, so my mom says कि बस अब जब तक तुम जिंदा हो तुम्हें रोना ही है, ये अब जिंदगी भर का रोना। What? इतनी हौसला अफजाई।
And this is her sympathizing with the other person, and they're also taking it as such.
And then my other mommy, she's sitting across from me, और वो मेरे साथ ऐसे बात कर रही है जैसे मैं मतलब उसके बाप के वलीमे पे आया ना, मतलब कोई मसला ही नहीं है, और फिर कैसा बिजनेस कैसा चल रहा है आजकल, ये वो। लाइक हाँ सब सही है, अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखते हो? मैंने कहा डायबिटीज है, जितना है तुम्हें डायबिटीज है? खैर हर मीटिंग पे तुम्हें सरप्राइज लगता है पाकिस्तानियों की तरह। और सर हाँ माय मामी।
अच्छा।
मैंने कहा हाँ डायबिटीज है, हाँ बस अपना ख्याल रखा करो, इंसानी जिस्म का कुछ पता नहीं होता, ये देखो इसके साथ भी जो हुआ है।
वाओ
वाओ, मतलब क्या क्या बोले यार।
Wow. नहीं, but also there is the thing where, you know, Abhi Norm Macdonald died recently. Very famous comedian, if you're not aware.
Yeah.
And very, very popular amongst comedians. And everyone mentioned, when they were talking about him, they mentioned the funny things that he did, said, you know, his stories. And they all remembered him through that, even though everyone was very sad. And chalo, his direct family must have been sadder. But Pakistan mein, there's no concept of remembering. I've never come across somebody, unless they've been dead for like 40 years. Nobody talks about that person's good stuff in life in like, you know, fond remembrance.
It's always in pity, right? Matlab,
yeah.
Like at this funeral, so एक तो अजीब सी चीज जो होती है, मुझे नहीं पता हर शहर में होती है कि नहीं है क्या। So वो जो बेचारा मर चुका है उसको इन्होंने गली में दिया है चारपाई पे।
Okay.
और चेहरे से कपड़ा हटा के, और लाइक पूरा मोहल्ला इकट्ठा हो रहा है उसको देखने के लिए। एक I really hate this. I find it very disrespectful कि
I've never seen this happen. मैंने देखा मस्जिद में होता है, like you go and get the thing done, और मस्जिद में आके रख देते हैं।
मस्जिद में होता है हाँ, वो मर्दों के लिए, तो ये सब औरतों के लिए गली में होता है, बिकॉज ये तो वहां भी अलाउड नहीं है ना वहां भी, तो या सो ये सब हो रहा है ये सब हो रहा है, और कुछ औरतें, एक्चुअली लॉट ऑफ औरतें आके बोल रही बस लगता है सो रहा है।
Yeah, why fucking हमारी that's
जगा दो ना उसको, हल्का सा हिला के जगा दो।
That's what I wanted to talk about.
Why are you saying this?
What is our fascination with gham and ranjish, and like, you know, the songs, the four most popular songs are like sad as fuck, like I cheer diya zalim. Like why is there no happiness in our like culture?
Exactly.
I mean, this is not,
you know, that concept, वो जैसे in that movie Rockstar, Ranbir Kapoor वाली, I don't know if you watched it.
I've seen it.
तो उसमें उसका वो कैफेटेरिया वाला उसको हेल्प कर रहा होता है ना थ्रू आउट, दुकान वाला।
Yeah.
he says यार दिल टूटेगा जब, तब
like
तब बनेगा आर्ट।
That's
You know, and
that's such a thing in all
yeah,
pan desi cultures, and I've always found it like kafi weird. Like, हाँ
yeah,
ठीक है, कभी
yeah,
कभार you're sad, you listen to a sad song, you're like, oh bro, I feel that shit. But हमारी यहाँ तो it's like that's the main thing. Oh
या
ho ho
ब्रो, मतलब
ho.
रातों को 2 घंटे सैड गजलें सुनने वाली कौम है ब्रो, मतलब होश वालों को खबर क्या बेखुदी क्या चीज है.
आग का दरिया है, डूब के जाना है. I was like, everyone's life is always hard. ऐसा लग रहा है सो रहा है यार बेचारा.
बहुत हार्ड. And it's, yeah, I don't know, man. Funerals are very weird in Pakistan.
Yeah, I don't know. I think people don't really know what to do at funerals. A lot of people are just there, ek to khane ke liye, like the
Oh,
story that we'll go to.
for sure. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
And like, I hate the idea that ek to somebody fucking died in your house, and now you
Why do
also
we
have to do a dawat,
Yeah.
a full
Why?
dawat.
And the reason that everyone has given me
अच्छा नहीं
हमेशा,
लगता.
लोग बड़ी दूर से आए हैं
Fucking
तो
मत
उनको
आओ.
कुछ खाने, तो खुद कुछ ले आओ ना अपने
Yeah.
साथ खाने को.
Yeah. ये
साथ में
story,
दुकान है, कुछ ले लो यार, चिप्स का पैकेट खा लो तुम
Hera
पकड़
की
के यार
story is
तुम.
exactly this.
Yeah.
She's like, at my Khalu's janaza in November last year, COVID I'd speak, people being assholes about not wearing a mask. Sham mein 5 baje, his entire side of the family started talking about chai, ek saath. As if not having
Wow.
sham ki chai once would lead to their own death. Such a Hera ke andar bhi bahut nafrat hai. His
Yeah.
dead body was brought from the morgue to be taken to the mosque and then the burial ground for last viewing by Khala and kids. Basically, dead bodies in the lounge. Everyone's reciting Quran, dua, Khala, kids huddled around, rona, rona. Nephew went into my cousin's room. The guy who died, his nephew
Yeah.
went into my cousin's room to shower. कराची में पानी नहीं था टैंक में, क्योंकि जाहिर है
Wow.
घर में फौतगी हो गई, किसी को हुआ नहीं, ख्याल नहीं आया मोटर
Yeah.
चलाना. This guy, late 30s, came out in the lounge shirtless. Same lounge where the rest of the family is gathered and weeping, demanding के पानी खोल दे, मुझे नहाना है.
Wow. Oh my God.
Later that day, same dude fought over biryani ki boti with his grown sister. Both have 2 kids, sister's 42,
Fuck,
he is
man.
39. The sister was worse, kept demanding food for her kids, not young kids, 10-12 साल के बच्चे थे.
Wow.
Kids want some snacks, 5 बजे, do you have biscuits, chips, ये वो, and she's like, oh fuck. Like, ऐसे मौकों पे ना वहीं कूद, वहीं चढ़ जाओ and just like kick the shit out of him. तू भी आज
Yeah,
दफा
yeah.
होगा.
I have never eaten at a funeral.
That's
I
not,
don't know.
that's not even the point of
यार
a
मतलब
funeral.
मुझे बताओ, how long is a funeral? आप 24 घंटे के लिए तो नहीं वहां आ गए यार. मतलब
I'm sure people
1 घंटे
go
का
for
scene है.
the food, like they expect के खाना होगा.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Fuck
like
that.
1 घंटा आपको वहां लग जाएगा.
Yeah.
घर से
And
खा के
it's,
मर के आ जाओ यार.
it's so shit कि my mom's dad died like when she was young, like 7 years old or something.
Yeah.
And that's a long time ago. And even now she's like, I remember log biryani में बोटियां ढूंढ रहे थे.
Fuck, man.
At the funeral, and like it's like shit behavior. इससे बेहतर है मत आओ. Like तुम्हारी दुआओं भी नहीं लगना.
यार इससे बेहतर है वो जो कभी ऐसे वीडियोस आई हैं अलग दुनिया के कल्चर्स where they're all dancing at a funeral and they're celebrating के passage to God, that kind of a thing. वो करना शुरू हो जाओ यार. इससे बेहतर तो वो है. एटलीस्ट फिर खुल के तुम चलो खुशी मनाओ, क्योंकि ये वाली जिंदगी तो वैसे ही नहीं, सब कुछ तो आखिरत है. तो आप ये दुनियावी चीजों पे आप गम क्यों कर रहे हो? आओ थोड़ा नाचो वाचो, गाओ, थोड़ा कोई टप्पे गा लो, ढोलकी वोलकी बजाओ,
taps,
you know, उसके या टैप्स करो, उसके लिए उसके कोई तारीफों के टप्पे बना लो नए.
yeah, that would be good. When I die, viewers, and you come to my funeral, please make sure
टप्पे गा लेना.
हाँ, माहौल अच्छा हो.
काला शा काला
वैसे बड़ा गोरा था. I was doing stand-up comedy at the funeral. But yeah, man, fuck that. Somebody else in the story, but we're running out of time. We have to do the advice. A lot of people have sent us.
What running out of time? मतलब क्या चैनल बदल देंगे लोग?
No, मुझे जाना है.
अच्छा
Conan
advice.
करता है ना, Conan on his podcast, if you're just tuning
Yeah.
in, and बाकी लोग are like, tuning into what? This is not on the radio. He's like, यार shit, मुझे आदत है, मैं क्या करूं? I love Conan का podcast and I like Conan also.
Yeah.
साद खलील ना मेरे बैंड का जो सिंगर गिटारिस्ट मेन बंदा था, his name is also साद खलील.
I've heard this name.
Yeah. What's the secret ingredient for a less stressed and a more satisfied life?
Sex.
Secret ingredient, लेकिन आप देखें,
Yeah.
एक मैं आपको टेक्स्ट मैसेज भेजूंगा, आपको सही तरीका पता चलेगा उससे.
Bro, that is the only ingredient, bro.
मैंने इतनी जोर से तुम्हारा वो शरई तरीका, हम बिस्तरी का डिलीट किया, मेरे फोन में छेद हो गया.
या मतलब आप सिंगल हो, मैरिड हो, या डिवोर्स्ड हो, या रंडवे हो, मतलब आपको विच मांगता है, और क्या चाहिए जिंदगी में?
Sure. What's the secret ingredient for less
that fixes many
stress?
things.
Yeah. I don't know, man. Perspective, I guess.
मैंने बता दिया ना, तो
sorry,
क्या आगे बोल रहे हो?
I'm sorry. Same person had another question. ये भी बता दो.
Okay.
Happy birthday to Rizwan. He sent it back then.
Yeah.
What advice would he like to give to youth growing up?
Sex. यार देखो, सही fuck about करो ना, मतलब सेक्स मचा दो जिंदगी में हर जगह.
I'm sure Saad Khalil seems like a young kid. तो तुम
यार तो
अभी नहीं.
हाँ, once you turn 18,
इजाजत के साथ.
Yeah, please. हाँ, हमेशा. और ये नहीं कि लास्ट टाइम मैंने ली थी, इस दफा मैं नहीं, every time.
बीच में भी अगर मना हो जाए तो रुक जाना.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, that's how.
Bro, I was thinking we should do like fuck off. We should do a series of like life advice for like small things. Like I'm sure people don't know how to like. I was thinking people don't know how to open a bank account, but I think Pakistan mein nobody knows how to open a bank account.
The bankers don't know that.
आपको वसीयत में मिल जाता है तो सही है.
Yeah.
Fuck. खैर.
But अच्छा, तो क्या कोई सीरियस जवाब भी हमने, वैसे सीरियसली ये भी one of the factors तो ये है ही जिसकी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ.
Okay.
और बाकी हाँ, growing up, I don't know, advice is such a personal thing. Like something would work for me and something else would work for you.
Don't be unaware of your biases. That's सही है. ये isms जो होते हैं ना, patriotism, nationalism, fundamentalism, ये you don't realize कि they are inside you and are guiding your decisions.
Yep.
So be a realist, don't be a pessimist, don't be an optimist. Yeah, take in as much knowledge as you can, make smart decisions for yourself, and don't let yourself
make money.
Make money is very important. Don't let people, and do what you like, but make sure that you're searching. Rizwan ko dekh lo, matlab, like I have a very boring life and career, but Rizwan has done shit idhar se udhar se idhar, नई चीजें सीखी. But obviously सहूलियात सबकी अलग-अलग होती हैं, standard thing, privilege, blah blah blah. But
but there's one thing that everybody can do.
No,
just be nice.
Acha, I thought sex.
Just be nice. Have sex and just be nice.
Yeah, be nice. Don't be an idiot, but be nice.
Yeah.
Qazi Akbar, how to stop hating your feelings? Qazi के साथ हुआ है actually breakups. Qazi का हो गया इश्क, and then उसके बाद breakups, and फिर उन्होंने बहुत सारा वजन कम कर लिया, तो on balance it's a good thing. खैर वजन तो पहले से कम हो रहा था.
तो क्या जुनेजो हंसा इस पे भी?
Little boys club or what is this? We would not have apologized. But he's also much nicer than us. How to stop hating your feelings? Yeah, have you ever hated your feelings?
यार matlab, if they're weird feelings, like I don't know what feelings Ghazi is talking about.
Have you ever disliked yourself for an extended period of time? Says, yaar, main shit banda hu, ye wo. It's weird. I have also never disliked myself.
but apparently people do. मतलब
A lot of
होता ही
people
होगा.
do. Like I haven't thought कि यार मैं अच्छी
Yeah.
हूँ, I'm amazing. I'm very aware of मसले मसाइल weaknesses.
I'm very indifferent to myself.
Yeah. I think fucking
कि यार
ये भी
मतलब
एक
सही है.
trauma का नतीजा है.
Yeah.
Like fucking I don't know, man. How to stop hating your feelings?
Bro, I don't know. Like,
Accept
yeah.
that life has brought you to this point and take that as context for the future.
Wow.
Master of the way, you know. The past has gone and the future is a mystery. That is why, again, present. Jazib Ali, what do you think about art in Pakistan? Jazib Ali, shout out, did our animation. What do you think about art in Pakistan? Rizwan, you're closest to it. How do you feel generally? Art ka scene kya hai across the different genre? Music. Rizwan doesn't listen to any music. He can't understand anything, and he is that uncle.
Hot mango chutney sauce.
Are they're breaking down my door. The Wokes. I was not ready. I just have to say, okay, I feel a very peculiar way about people who have perfect English, perfect, and speak in Desi accented English for the culture.
That's like the cafe version of opening truck adda dhabe.
Yeah, I'm
in
not
Gulberg
sure.
and DHA.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah. I'm not sure if it's as much of a hashtag resist move as you think.
Yeah.
But moving
what
on
I
swiftly.
feel about art in general in Pakistan. Achha, so I don't know how much of a burger I am, which I probably am, but pata nahi.
Yeah.
But maybe with my associations and interactions, I'm not as much as a lot of people are. Mera friend circle is just like 2-3 people, you, Ali, and my wife, 3-4 log, that's it. And but still I'm mainly just exposed to a lot of burger art, which is because of social media.
Yeah.
और उसमें मुझे ये लगता है कि it's mainly the same crowd, the same circle of people who are promoting each other and creating art and writing about each other, taking photos of each other. Sare like fashion shoots, billboards, art galleries, exhibitions. Yeah. Like you know what I'm saying. It's all the same people,
which is the same thing as Pakistan mein itne sare log hain, but it seems like we're connected to everyone. Financial class hamari itni hai which can do art, so zahir hai wo connected bhi hain.
Of course I am sure there's a lot of art in the general populace which we don't see, जो शायद आपको दुकानों पे लिबर्टी में इधर उधर अगर पेंटिंग आर्ट लाइक मैं बात करूं तो वो आपको बिकता हुआ मिल जाएगा. वो आपको 2000 से लेके 2 लाख का साइज के हिसाब से मिल रहा होगा. उसमें आर्टिस्ट ने खुद क्या वैल्यू दी होगी अपने आर्ट को वो हमें पता नहीं. वैसे म्यूजिक भी मासेस में बहुत बन रहा है, छोटे मोटे स्टूडियोज में भी बन रहा है, रेडियो पे भी चल रहा होता है, अलग अलग जबानों में है, बट हमें सुनने को मिलता कितना है शायद वो जो स्पॉटिफाई यूट्यूब
like even in the famous burger type people, there's this guy Hashim Ali 90 who's like an art director, art designer, whatever. I didn't know about him before Natasha ki video of Chodo. I had no idea who he was. Uske baad I found out, and I like, and it's like, oh, fucking ye to, it's so good. I don't know anybody else who is doing work in that space. Okay, shayad.
And then again, this is a guy who is also famous for doing wedding setups, which he does exclusively for like janne wale log. You know, he doesn't. I don't think he's fully into event management decor setups like a few other people, but Hashim Ali, he doesn't. Sirf janne walon ke. That's what Palvisha is confirming. So I got to know him through that circle. वो सर्कल भी अब वो शादियां वाले नहीं करेगा जो मासेस की होती हैं. He'll be doing वही महंगी weddings और like जिस पे photographers भी महंगे वाले हो रहे होंगे like us. और तो I don't know, I feel वही जो बात बहुत सालों से रिपीट हो रही है कि हमें एक प्लेटफार्म चाहिए. or
Yeah.
there's no platform for
There's
the
no platform.
masses.
Yeah.
For the masses, maybe Patari could have been that for music in Pakistan.
चलो
It was
Spotify आ
aiming.
गया.
Spotify aa gaya.
Yeah.
Patari
Yeah.
was aiming to do that because Spotify, I'm not sure how exactly Spotify runs. Like, will they help you with production, with funding?
No.
It's
No.
just a streaming
Yeah.
service. So Patari also
paid
had
streaming
project
service.
a paid streaming service.
Yeah.
So Patari also had like a talent hunt thing where they were looking for people in small cities and villages and towns and giving them a platform to bring forward their art, which was music. They gave us a platform, TPR pod शुरू में. So that was something. वो भी, I guess, रह गया in its.
वो तो खैर उनके circumstances भी अलग थे, but I guess the answer is कि people are doing stuff, but it's limited to a very small class. At least the stuff that we're exposed to, and the way for things to get better, like the people we don't like and we're like, यार इन कितने fans क्यों हैं ये वो है. The way things will improve is when a lot more people participate and can afford to participate. So obviously there needs to be more money involved. उससे फिर लोगों का taste develop होगा. People will have to do new things to stand out, and we will be able to judge कि अच्छा ये ऐसा है, ये ऐसा है. This is what I like. So more people need to be involved. His second question.
इसका एक ये भी चीज है कि I don't think artists globally have been looking to attract the masses, or like art has always been like personal. A niche and a personal thing. It will connect with a few people, and if you're happy with that, that's fine. It doesn't have to be to make you money.
But that's also those places now where आपके भूखे मरने का risk नहीं होता.
Exactly.
Like, there's like venues, like the thing that Ahmad was talking about in the thing, industry jab hum kehte nahi hai, which Patari was single-handedly trying to solve, which they would not have been able to shayad, is ke, you need a place to perform and a place to record, a place that markets, and then a place to bada perform, you teach, wo ecosystem hi nahi hai. Basically, kyunki log nahi hai.
That is true. कोई existing industry किसी भी आर्ट फॉर्म की या मुझे तो नजर नहीं आती.
It's just
movies is such a big art form, and
उसमें भी इतने मसले हैं यार, like halfway through money runs out, shoot delayed for ages. Nader में बताता है. The more stability is needed, more people need to participate. Abhi only the main players are those who can afford to. Also, मूंग की दाल या फिर पुलाव. I would choose pulao.
Pulao, yeah, of course.
Okay. Quickly, we'll get rid of this guy. Multan ki couple on a modest single income with 2-year-old, possible to live in Dubai with some comfort.
What? Sorry, kya?
Couple on modest single income with 2-year-old. Is it possible to live in Dubai with some comfort? Now, I don't know what modest
income.
I don't know what some comfort means, but like a minimum figure I would give you for my standard of comfort is
25,000.
I was going to say 15,000. But this is also from like 6 years ago.
6 years ago. If both of you are working, combined income. Single income.
Yeah. Because उस ज़माने में 15 पे it seemed fine in Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
10 पे भी लोग survive कर रहे थे.
Yeah, like me. But I was single guy.
Yeah. So I'd say minimum आजकल के ज़माने 15, ideally 20 and above.
15 to 20, and given how अगर आप अभी move करना चाह रहे हो तो because of COVID rents काफी कम हुए हैं.
But they will increase.
They will increase over the years. अभी बहुत से लोग they moved like साथ वाली buildings में move हो गए because rents वो खाली पड़ी हुई थी, वो नीचे आ गए rents. तो वो सीन है. 15 से 20,000 per month should be okay if it's a baby, if they're not going to school yet. So
schools are very expensive.
Schools are very expensive. 2-3 साल आप save कर लो पहले से, स्कूल के पहले 1-2 साल के लिए.
Bro, it's crazy. There's like credit cards that give you points अगर आप उनसे स्कूल की fees pay करें. Schools are so expensive, man. Schools
are very expensive. But again, if you're looking at modest comforts, maybe आपको मेरे type का life नहीं चाहिए होगा पे वाला जहाँ पे रोज कॉफी पीने बाहर जाना है, शीशा भी मारना है. So स्कूल भी जरूरी नहीं है आप जेम स्कूल सिस्टम में डालो. आप there are cheaper schools. Like वो फिर वो बात फिर वही है हाँ घर पे पढ़ाओ.
Yeah, you
मतलब
make up the slack with
वो यही
personal
है
effort.
कि you give up something and you get
Yeah.
something. पैसे बचाओगे तो थोड़ा आपको कुछ give up करना पड़ेगा.
I
Yeah.
think the biggest thing, it's becoming truer and truer the more I think about it. The thing people buy with money is time. अच्छा
Yep.
खाना कोई और बना के दे दे, अच्छा स्कूल कहीं और
Yeah.
चले जाएं, I don't have to make an effort. Everything that's all you buy with money. Time.
Yeah.
इकरा वजीर, घर के सामने KFC खुल गया है और सेल्फ कंट्रोल बहुत कम है. That's what I guess. Very serious problem.
यार
चली जाओ.
you know like Twister खा लिया करो.
ये जाओ, कम खाओ.
Yeah. Have
Yeah.
one Twister and have like a bottle of water और आपका fried chicken वाला fix भी मिल जाता है, and it's a wrap. It's not
Yeah.
very oily or anything. It's not. It has some lettuce in it. आपको थोड़े greens भी मिल जाएंगे.
Balanced.
Yeah, it has like a pepper mayo sauce, तो वो आपको थोड़ा pepper भी मिल जाएगा. December का इंतजार हो रहा है बस मेरा.
Naufal Elahi, this guy, I think has a picture that you took, and I guess you know him. So now
yeah.
you will address this question: how to
I know.
expertly fart in public buses?
Oh, यार if it's a Pakistani public bus जिसमें मैं बहुत फिरा हूँ कॉलेज के जमाने में, तो वहां अगर आप फार्ट ना भी करना चाह रहे हो ना, आपको वो दबा इतना देते हैं कि वो निकल ही आता है फुर्र.
Also, I don't know what he means by expertly. Like, does he want to cause minimal damage or maximum?
हाँ, that's a valid concern यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
Minimal damage यार कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. एक तो you can blame it on anyone. Public transports are generally pretty busy.
Yeah. Spin around while you're doing it, so that मुश्किल हो जाए पता चलना आई किधर से.
हाँ मतलब कहीं even if you're seated, अगर जैसे डेवू पे हो, there are people who are always farting on डेवू buses. और पता कभी नहीं चलता. I'm only always assuming it's the Maulvi sitting next to me. But
a fair assumption. My love of KFC, Rameez Hassan, long time fan. My love of KFC is shifting to McDonald's. How to stop? Why?
Yeah, देखो, it's a phase. मतलब सही है. They're both very different. They're both.
That's true. Yeah.
They're both junk.
Yeah.
तो कभी-कभी मेरे साथ भी ऐसी अजीब सी चीजें हुई हैं where you don't feel like having KFC for a while. ऐसे हादसे होते हैं.
Yeah.
कि फिर आप McDonald's थोड़ा 1-2 महीने खाते हो, clean your palate, and then you come back to KFC, right back to KFC.
But the great thing is कि वही McDonald's doesn't sell fried chicken. I think they do actually in Pakistan.
They do in Pakistan. They have very good fried chicken in Pakistan.
Right. But KFC definitely doesn't sell burgers.
And they do two types. They do a spicy and a non-spicy. Yeah.
Market ले रहे हैं. Rameez, go with it, bro. Go with it. Ghareeb AF ने message किया, and I took it as like a personal insult, but I think नहीं था. He was saying कि यार बाल गिर रहे हैं अली भाई, कोई solution. And I was like, you asshole. Because मेरे बाल, as you can see, काफी गिर चुके हैं.
बाल गिरने का कोई solution नहीं है, bro. मतलब
I mean, you could get a transplant, which I'm hoping to get.
So that's not a गिरने का solution, huh? That's like a गंजेपन का solution. बाल तो गिरेंगे, bro.
If you are getting a transplant, or you're getting Rogaine, or you're getting any topical treatment, whatever you're getting after consulting with the doctor, the best thing is to get it as soon as possible. That's what everybody says. जितनी जल्दी आप शुरू कर सकते हैं, उतनी situation is salvageable. Also, you could adopt the ganja look, like many have done.
Like HSY.
HSY has been bald for a while. Ali Azmat, although he's not as much of a style icon.
Yeah.
But yeah, Ali Azmat went like hard. He went from like fucking this to zero.
Bro, HSY looks very sexy वैसे यार.
But it's an issue.
Dresses really well. I don't know who's designing his clothes from. So
सारा शहजाद अख्तर हर महीने बाद पेपर आ जाए. इसको मैंने जवाब दिया तो महीने रोक दो.
ये कौन सी स्कूलिंग है? हर महीने बाद पेपर
हर महीने बाद पेपर आए थे.
क्या अखबार आ जाता है घर पे? लाइक क्या what's going on?
Paper to paper का सफर. Yeah, I don't know, man. या तो फेल हो जाओ, बहुत सारा स्कूल से निकाल देंगे, and that's your solution. Or yeah, it's a tough life. Find something that doesn't have so many. Become a musician. will be your exam. But yeah, and thus we come to the end of this. काफी लंबा हो गया आज. I'm sure people will enjoy this, but or maybe no one will listen. आजकल views down चल रहे हैं.
Nobody else joined us इसमें. सरखेल नादिर दोनों यार, मतलब
नादिर तो वैसी टोपी है. सरखेल is in सरखेल तो बाथरूम में सर दिया हुआ है. सरखेल की सास ने उसका सर बाथरूम में डाल के फ्लश चला दिया. Is this true? Who knows? He was not around to deflect.
Yeah.
But yeah, अगले हफ्ते inshallah I'll be going to meet him. I hope.
Yeah, bro.
Hopefully I can get another podcast recorded for that week. वरना एक हफ्ते की छुट्टी हो जाएगी. But yeah, check out our previous 3 episodes. Bakar Wali to Chalo is doing well. Great story of him. बड़ा लंबा है, but he was in the army, and I thought I'd get someone who's been in the army and he's actually seen action in FATA and been to Siachen. So cool story, and he's not like hyper patriot. Pakistan is the best. East or
why
West.
bro? He's in the army.
He was. He's in Australia.
Oh,
but he's like a realist. He's like, some things are good, sometimes sometimes it's shit. he's that well spoken also. Phir ugly episode was with Soltafa, and Soltafa is so famous that nobody watched his podcast. I was like, acha, chalo, I guess.
Bro, people hate him probably.
I don't know. That's why they follow him. But you should watch it. He's cool. He's doing some opening coordination. क्या होता है when you join orientation thing at LUMS?
What?
And he's like glad to be going back. You've done this before?
Wow.
But bro, he's making moves. He has like a esports league. He has 2-3 alag. He has a podcast. He has a meme page. He has a news maybe aa gaya hai, matlab boy, and he wants to make an app. Sahi moves.
Who's next on our podcast?
Well, we're next, but I don't know. I'm hoping to see if we can get some people. Off air hum aapko batayenge. But yeah, and isse pichli wali episode was Mr. Paki. वो भी आप सुने जाके. He's a cool guy. One of the more interesting people on Instagram who जरा research करते हैं. Pakistan finds interesting places, interesting people. तो और body shorty भी है, तो body shorty के लिए देख लें आप. But yeah, any closing messages, Rizwan Parwan? Sorry, Rizwan Takhar.
Bro, just be nice.
Just be nice. Yeah, TBR board, Maul Upper, Rizwan Takhar, Sarkhil Salman Khan, rest in peace. Yeah, send us your questions, send us your shout-outs, send us money. Okay ji.
Please send us money. Yeah.
Now.